Hello, what's up mga ka-crypto? Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ito yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon guys is yung memes versus undead na play-to-earn games from Binance Smart Chain. So may bagong feature sila, yung meme race. So ito yung browser na mobile version. So i-click mo lang yung dito sa gilid guys, yung icon nila. Itong race. And then ito yung dashboard ng race. So mayroon silang apat na category: common, rare, epic, and legendary. So we will try legendary. Okay, this is the player now, and then we will make an entry, participate, and this is my meme, PP Legendary, token ID 4359, and then pay inscription for 20 MBU. Once you pay, and then your meme is already in race. So, antay po tayo ng 4 na oras bago matapos po yung race. So, you can choose from common, rare, epic, and legendary. So, ito na yung enter natin guys, not yet selected. As makikita mo sa historical. And then sa ranking, ito yung sa currently in ranking position. So, ito yung dashboard ng race guys. Habang nantay natin yung results, so ito yung dashboard niya. At yung inscription value ng common is 5, rare 10, epic 15, and legendary is 20. At sa bawat category guys ay may tatlong winner. First, second, third. And with corresponding points and corresponding MVU as for winners. So ito na yung resulta guys. Check natin yung historical. Tapos yung results natin is loser. So talo yung meme natin. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching.